hot grill, the sweet perfume of ripe fruit and warm spices like cinnamon, cumin, and paprika. This is the smell of Turkish street food, a sensory delight that lures you with its promise of culinary adventure. As you bite into a warm flaky börek, the rich taste of feta cheese and spinach dances on your tongue. Or perhaps you're indulging in a succulent doner kebab, the tender strips of meat dripping with flavorful juices, perfectly balanced by the crisp fresh vegetables and creamy garlic sauce. Then there's the sweet sticky delight of baklava, layer upon layer of thin crispy pastry filled with finely chopped nuts and drenched in honey. Turkish street food is a feast for the senses, a vibrant blend of flavors that reflects the country's rich and diverse culinary heritage. But Turkish street food is more than just a gastronomic delight. It's a window into the country's history and culture. The story of Turkish street food is as old as the country itself, a tale that begins in the bustling markets and busy streets of Istanbul, Ankara, and Izmir. Here, food vendors have been serving up delicious, affordable meals for centuries. Their stalls and carts an integral part of daily life. Turkish street food draws on a variety of culinary traditions, from the hearty meat-based dishes of Central Asia to the fresh vegetable-focused cuisine of the Mediterranean. It tells the story of the many peoples and cultures that have influenced and shaped Turkey over the centuries, from the Greeks and Romans to the Persians and Ottomans. It's also a testament to the Turkish people's love of good food and their belief in the importance of sharing and community. Whether it's families gathering around a tray of baklava, friends sharing a plate of meze, or strangers bonding over a bowl of lentil soup, Turkish street food brings people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and connection. In this video, we've embarked on a sensory journey, exploring the tantalizing aromas, the rich flavors, and the cultural significance of Turkish street food. We've traced its history, from its roots in the ancient markets of Istanbul to its status as a beloved staple of modern Turkish life. We've delved into the diverse culinary traditions that have contributed to Turkish street food, highlighting the influence of various cultures and regions. And we've celebrated the way Turkish street food brings people together, fostering a sense of community and shared experience. Whether it's the savory delight of a freshly grilled kebab, the comforting warmth of a bowl of lentil soup, or the sweet indulgence of a piece of baklava, Turkish street food offers an unforgettable culinary experience. It's a testament to Turkey's rich culinary heritage, a vibrant celebration of its diverse culture, and a delicious reminder of the joys of shared meals and communal experiences. So the next time you find yourself wandering the streets of Istanbul